Look at that. It looks amazing. And it tastes so freaking good. Welcome back. The other day, my buddy said, Mo, how do you do a tenderloin? And I'm like, do a tenderloin? Oh, I'm assuming that you mean cook one, like smoke one or grill one or something. So I'm like, yeah, I'll just go ahead and buy one and show you how to do a tenderloin. So we're gonna do a tenderloin right now. All right, so I got this tenderloin on base, and I go to the base to get a lot of my meat and stuff, and this was only $5.86. It is 2.64 pounds. Big boy, for cheap, $5.86. So we're gonna go ahead and prep this and get it ready for cooking. First thing we gotta do, come over here and open it up and rinse it, because we want it to be nice and clean. I'm not going to use that anymore. I'm going to rinse it, get all the small pieces off if there are small pieces. This one looks like it is split in two. So we got two pieces, twice the tenderloin. That'll work. It's really one, it's just split in half. So take that, nice and rinsed. We'll put it over here on our cookie sheet. Here's our tenderloin here. All we need to do is take a little bit of this garlic jalapeno and we're gonna spread it on there. But first, we're gonna put some olive oil on there, like we always do. And we're gonna rub it in real nice because we like it nice and lubed up, right? Spread it on liberally like that. And we're gonna kind of rub it in a little bit. Then we're gonna do it again. We're gonna let it sit, let it set up a little bit, let that moisture get in there. All right, sweat. We're gonna let it sweat. That's what it's called, sweating. We're gonna let it sweat. We're gonna take it, we're gonna slap it on here. Now we're at 225 degrees. So we're gonna go low and slow. One key thing that we have to do is we need to make sure we put a meat probe in. And we're gonna put it in the fattest part of the meat, right? It can be the thickest part right here, right here. Really, we want that thick part right there, right there. We're gonna stick it in there, and that is gonna be our temperature reading, right? That's what we want. I'm gonna change that to food, and right now it is at 70 something degrees going down. So we want that to be 145 degrees. So let's go ahead and let that sit, and we'll be back later. All right, let's see what we got. Ooh-wee. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're looking good. Looking good, looking good. Look at this. Look what we got. Oh my goodness. We're at 137 degrees. I think it's about time to add a little sauce. All right, let's add a little sauce to this. Boom. That's why you use metal bowls, folks, so you can do stuff like this. Nice and wet. Get it wet. Alright, that's enough of the wet jokes for today's video. You know we gotta put it back in the thickest part of the meat, right? We'll let it set up until we get 145, then we're gonna pull them. They look great. Look at that. Look at the color. Alright, we're at 145. Let's go ahead and pull it. See what we got. Looking good over here. Take this meat probe out. We're gonna go ahead and slap one of them down over here. And we're gonna slap the other one down over here. Okay, so we've had our rest. And after our 5-minute rest period, we're gonna go ahead and cut one of these tenderloins. And this is that brand new knife that we talked about. This thing is supposed to be laser sharp. So we're gonna see how laser sharp it actually is. And we're gonna get into this meat right now. Wow. Oh, this is the sharpest knife I've ever had in my kitchen. Holy moly. Look at that. Wow. I'm just having a wood cutting board. I don't even know if that's good. This thing is just gonna cut right through the wood. Wow, look at that. Look how sharp this thing is. Look how sharp it is. Wow, that is amazing. This smells so good. And this tenderloin just smells amazing. Which bite do I want? Do I want this one? I want that bite, right? Yeah, that's the one I want. It smells amazing. I can't wait, man. I'm going crazy. It's fantastic. I tell you what, when you get so good at making your own food that it makes you laugh, it's so enjoyable. Cooking becomes a whole nother thing. Like, I don't know, I gotta have another one. And I'm gonna have this in piece right here. This is glorious. Hey, I'm telling you what, it's so smoky, so flavorful. That barbecue sauce helps a little bit. Man, I'm telling you, and that spice from that garlic jalapeno rub that we use, that is amazing. Got a little kick to it too. I'll tell you what, that is a great tenderloin. I'm gonna go ahead and get this ready, get it on a plate, and we're gonna eat, man, because I'm hungry. I'm hungry, we're gonna eat. So I'm gonna plate this. I wanna finish cutting some of this up. We're gonna plate it, and we're gonna eat, because I'm starving and I'm on a keto diet, so I can't really like eat a lot of stuff. So this is what I'm eating today. There is our magnificent pork tenderloin, ladies and gentlemen. That looks fantastic. Look at that. It looks amazing. And it tastes so freaking good. It tastes so freaking good. I could add a side to it or something like that, but I don't want to. I love meat, and this is what it looks like. This is what backyard barbecue is all about. It just looks great. And I'm gonna leave it like that, and then I'm gonna get a fork and a knife, and I'm gonna dig into it, and I'm gonna eat it, and I'm gonna love it. I'm definitely gonna see you guys on the next video, right? Because, I mean, we're backyard grilling, and we're hungry, and we're eating together. So let's go ahead and get it in. I'll see you on the next one. Like, subscribe, share, do all that funny business.